Hey y'all, so here's that deal motor that needs new bearings, and I was just checking here. I can feel a little bit of slop in the shaft here. So I've got it hooked up to a test lead. I'm going to plug it in. You'll be able to tell when I plug it in. You'll hear this rattle. It's got a rattle in it. Now it's also got an internal centrifugal start switch, so you'll hear that clackety clack maybe as it starts up, and also when you shut it down and it's about to come to a stop, you'll hear that clackety clack. That's not the problem. The problem is the roar, the rumble. Listen to this. Okay, you hear that knock in there? So that's what we're going to try to fix, and get some new bearings in there and see what else we have to do. All right, stand by. All right, I believe we have achieved success here. We've got this motor all back together. This is that Robbins and Myers motor that was freshly painted, and I think we got it all back together without even putting a scratch or a mar on it anywhere. So that's a success. So I'm going to plug it in, let you see it run. You'll see I've got the flat for the set screw right there. I'm going to plug this thing in, let you hear it run. You can compare it to how it ran whenever it first came in here. So here we go. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. All right, I'm going to unplug it, and you'll hear that internal centrifugal start switch close as the motor shuts down. Maybe.